Hello everyone, my name is Alexis, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of the 2024 Philadelphia Flower Show. I'm also going to be taking you guys behind the scenes in the creation of the Black Girl Florists flower installation. I was really excited to say that I was actually able to help out again this year for 2024 in the creation of the BGF salon. We are now behind the scenes of the Black Girl Florist salon installation. The week prior to the flower show is all about actually setting up and getting ready for the big week ahead. This week will be all about putting up the structure, processing the flowers, and actually bringing the creation to life.
I wait to show the husband this video. Oh my goodness.
This year for our installation, we really wanted to focus on sustainability and trying not to use floral foam as little as possible. So this year we actually used buckets for our flower wall. To keep the buckets of water from moving around, we took chicken wire and stapled it in places all over the wall because we are going to be creating flower walls on all sides of our design. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Philadelphia Flower Show is 1 week long, which means that our flowers have to live for 7 whole days. So this bucket method is really awesome because it allows the flowers to be getting fresh water all day long. So the next few days, we focused heavy on actually bringing our installation to life. So we added the decals to the mirror, and we really wanted to focus on greening up our display. To get some height and elevation on the mirror display, I ended up using the buckets to create a natural water source, but to also give our flowers like a nice little elevated look. The Pantone color of the year was peach, so we wanted to make sure that peach was the display color of our salon, and then to complement that peach color, we added lots of pastels to really bring out that peach. We wanted our piece to tell a story. We are cultivating communal sanctuaries. We really wanted to highlight the connection between Black hair salons and flower shops as nurturing spaces. As Black women, one of our iconic meeting places is a hair salon. This exhibit is an ode to Black beauty shops and how the experiences within that space mirrors that of Black flower shops. We feel a sense of unity in the salon with our sisters and our time spent in the floral studio with other Black florists. Our mission is to honor and amplify the connection within our community and the Black Girl Florist experience. Our group was made up of 14 women. We all took time out of our lives, away from our families, to bring you guys this beautiful flower installation you see here for the flower show. I am genuinely so proud of each and every one of us. I think we did an amazing job.